Apollo Project Evo is a more stunning successor to the hypercar i.e. Apollo Automobili will always be a part of the conversation, especially when it comes to hypercars with such a strong appeal. More specifically, it is called Apollo Intensa Emozione, intense emotion, or more commonly known as Apollo IE. Given the design of the hypercar, we are sure that you will feel intense emotions when you see it. However, it seems that the Apollo IE is ready to be replaced by a new one, or at least a successor will be included in the company's limited product line. The Apollo Project Evo, which was showcased at the China International Import Expo in Shanghai, opens its cover and convinces us that bold, eye-catching designs never go out of fashion. Visually, the Apollo Project Evo comes with a lot of lines, a lot of curves, and a lot of lighting features. The most striking design of this car is the X-shaped DRL, daytime running light, lamps at the front, reminiscent of the Bugatti Bolide, but in a wilder way. The intense expression at the front is also reflected at the rear. However, this time, the 6 red LED lines representing the Project Evo taillights distract attention from the 3 large circular exhaust outlets located in the middle of the rear of the car. According to Apollo, the Project Evo comes with a full active aerodynamics package, including a large and adjustable rear spoiler, aeroblades and triangular air intakes visible on the sides. While the Apollo IE is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.3-liter V12 engine, details about the Project Evo's powertrain are not yet known. However, Apollo talks about an advanced carbon monocoque chassis and a handling package that ensures that its raw power and emotional aesthetics are matched with unrivaled road holding and driving dynamics. The e-Vision concept will also be on display at the China Auto Show alongside the Project Evo. This is actually Apollo's attempt at electric mobility. It's described as a vehicle that aims to be a smarter, more connected, and more emotional clean air automotive brand for the world.